Hi everyone, this is Sonia Malik, and today I'm going to present a presentation on adverbial clauses. So I am recording this video on the request of my friend whose son is getting confused on adverbial clauses. So here you are. So first of all, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes a verb. So what is a verb? Verb is an action. So he sings loudly. So how he sings his verb, he sings loudly. So we're describing how is the verb happening. He runs very fast. How he runs? Very fast. The girl was eating slowly. Verb is eating. How is she eating? Slowly. The baby finished eating quickly. So how is she eating? Quickly. I waited impatiently for my friend. Waited is verb. How I waited? Impatient. I hope adverb is clear. Now, what is a clause then? So, clause is a combination of words, just like a sentence, which has a subject and a verb. Sometimes this combination of words may form a complete sense, but sometimes it may not have a complete meaning. So when it doesn't have a complete meaning, that is a dependent clause. So we'll have to combine it with a main clause. Let's see some examples of a clause. He is an intelligent boy. So he is a subject. Yeah. Is the auxiliary verb. Yeah. And how is he? An intelligent boy. I completed my project yesterday. I is the subject, that is the pronoun. And we're talking about I, me. So completed. What did I do? Completed. John went to the market. John is the subject and went is the verb. Mary is a soccer player. So what is the subject? Mary. And what is the verb? Is. So you see this combination of words, it has a subject and the verb. Let's go ahead. So what are adverbial clauses then? So that is also a group of words having a subject and a verb, but that starts with subordinating conjunctions. Let's see what are they. So adverbial clause acts as adverb in sentence, which is verb modifier or describing the verb. That is, that describes an action. So what is subordinating conjunction? It connects a subordinate clause, meaning the dependent clause to the main clause. So the dependent clause does not have its own meaning, right? For example, if any clause that is starting with because, since, whenever, for, unless, as soon as, if, every time, although, anytime, until, etc. These are the examples of subordinate conjunctions. I am not going. Why I am not going? Because I am sick, right? Mary was hungry. She was hungry, but there was no food left. It's a contrast. She was hungry, but there was no food left. So you see the subordinate conjunction because and but are being used there. Now let's go ahead. Let us see what are the different types of adverbial clauses. So today we are going to do only a few of them and I'll be continuing this. So first is adverbial clause of time. So as it is suggesting it's of time, that means it is going to tell you at what time that action happened. Yeah. So I shout at people. So there is a question now in the mind that when do I shout at the people? When they piss me off. Yeah. We should wait. How much? Till when? Until she finished cooking. Right? Mohana worked. When? After I left them. Very easy. Then comes the place. So action is happening, but where did it happen? So when you get the answer of place, that is adverbial clause of place. So here it will start with, so these are the keywords. Like when we did the time, the keywords were like when, until, after. But when we are talking about place, it will be where, wherever. I have put the books. Where did you put the books? Where I can find them again? I'll come to meet you. Where will you come to meet me? Wherever you live, right? All right. So you see, we were telling where did that action took action took place. We were talking about time, and now we will tell about adverb of reason, meaning why that action happened, right? And the keywords are because, since, that, as. I walk, right? So, why do I walk? Because I like long walks. He thinks he can buy anything. Why does he think so? As he is rich. I am glad. Why are you glad that you came? That was easy, right? Now, adverb of manner. Now, manner is how is the action done? Slowly, fast, or, how it is done. So, you have to identify them if they start with as if, the way that, as though, like. That will describe how an action happens. He went to the market. How he went to the market? In hurry. He discussed with me. What did he discuss? How did he discuss? Like I was a child. He walked past. How? As if he had not seen me. It looks like. How? As if it is going to rain. It looks. How? As though it's going to rain. All right? So when you say when you get the answer of when, so you will see these are the keywords: after, when, unless, until, by the time, whenever. When you use where, the place, you will get these keywords: where, wherever, anywhere. Why? The reason. Why did something happen? Why that action happened? Because, since, as, now that. How? As if, like, as though. So we've come to the end, but I just want to tell you, some children, they get confused if it is an adjective or an adverb. So just to clarify, when we talk about any noun, let's say this pen. Yeah, this pen is beautiful. So what is beautiful? This pen. And what is pen? Noun. So beautiful is adjective. The pen writes smoothly. Yeah. So what is smoothly? It is also quality. Is it for the pen? No. It is describing how does it write. That is a verb. So that is smoothly is adverb. I hope this must have clarified a bit of your doubts. And in the next class, I'll come with some more adverbial clauses. Thank you so much.